Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix microphone not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix this problem. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you have to just simply clean dust from here. So guys, simply take a brush and clean the dust from here, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then go for the other solution. The other solution is simply tap on settings, and from here guys scroll it below, then here tap on screen time. From here guys scroll it below, and after that tap on your content and price restriction, turn this toggle on. From here scroll it down and locate for the microphone. So guys, here it is, tap on it, and after that guys simply turn all this on to allow changes, and after that again go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then simply open settings again, scroll it below and locate for privacy and security, so simply tap on it. From here guys tap on microphone and make sure that the all toggles should be allowed here, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then there is an technical fault on your microphone, it may cause damage. So guys, simply go to an Apple store and fix your problem. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.